Hi, Busy Bees! It's me, Yash. Welcome back. Oh, what's that? That's right. Those are fireworks. What's this? That's right. Those are sweeties. I've come to tell you about another autumn celebration. Do you know what that celebration is? Well, it's really special and it's called Diwali. Can you say Diwali with me? My turn, Diwali. Your turn. That's right, Diwali. And look what I've got here today. What's all this? It's so bright and colorful and beautiful. Today, I'm going to make a rangoli. Do you know what a rangoli is? Yes, that's right. It's a decoration that some people use to celebrate Diwali with, and they decorate their house with their rangoli. Do you want to make a rangoli with me? Diwali is a time when families come together to celebrate the triumph of good over evil. That sounds so much fun! And when they decorate their rangoli, they use lots of bright colors and beautiful designs. I drew a flower. Do you want to spell flower with me? You do? Okay. Well, you spell flower with an F, an L, an O, a W, an E, and an R. But if you want to learn the sounds, you can say F, L, Ow, That's right. F, L, Ow, Let's decorate my flower rangoli together. You can decorate your rangoli with whatever you like. Some people use colored rice and flour or lentils. I'm going to be a bit cheeky. I'm going to use some colored sweeties. Do you want to see my sweeties with me? Here, I've got some blue sweeties. Then some colorful ones. Look at that! Blue, red, yellow, green. I've got some sweeties that are shaped like squares here, and they're all yellow. Finally, I've got some round sweeties, and they're different colors too, just like the rainbow. I'm going to stick my sweeties on with some glue. I've already drawn my flower, and I just need to spread on some glue and then stick on my sweeties. Let's go! Now that I've put glue all over my flower, I'm going to start adding my sweeties. I've already added yellow. Do you want to put some rainbow sweeties on with me? Let's go! I love those rainbow sweeties. Let's put on some blue ones together, should we? Let's go! I finished making my rangoli made out of sweeties. It's a little bit cheeky, but it's very cute and very pretty. Why don't you try making a rangoli at home with Mommy and Daddy too? Please subscribe and like my videos.